Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you maths of grade 3. So today we are going to start our new topic, 6-digit numbers and their place values. And page number 25 to 28. Well, students, here is chart of place value of 6-digit numbers. By the end of this module, you will be able to explain the place value chart for a 6-digit number, and you are able to explain about how to group numbers according to the period. Let us learn how to represent the place value chart for a 6-digit number. So let us learn the periods of 6-digit number in a place value chart. In a place value chart, a 6-digit numbers has ones and thousands period. Well, we are going to grouping the digits according to the period. Let's consider a number like 9599269. Now place the 6 digits numbers in the place value chart. For writing the 6-digit numbers, group the digits according to the period in the table to spell out this number. So this number is read as 459,269. Now we take more examples. Here is a question for you. Write 635089 in words. First of all, make a place value table, then place the values, and then we write the given number in words like 635,089. Move to next example number 3. Here is a question for you. Write the given number in figures. And given number is 793,124. Again, we will make the place value chart for a 6-digit numbers. Then you place the values. It will be 793124. Next one is, what is the value of a ringed digit? Question number 1 is 679205. Now we are going to find the value of the ringed digit. First of all, you will make place value chart for a 6-digit number, then place the value where 9 is located. 9 is located in thousands place. So we write 9,000 or 9000. Well, I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. And one more important thing, I have a home task for you. Well, you will solve the page number 30. Here is some filling the blanks, true false, MCQs. We already discussed these questions in our previous lecture. You can do these questions with the help of previous lecture. Move to next page, page number 31. Here is question. Write the names of number and write the numbers in a figure. We already discussed this question in this lecture. Well, you will get all the answers of these questions from this lecture. That's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.